Want to start earning from day one with print on demand? Most people wait weeks for their first sale, but I'll show you how to make money from day one. That's right, you can literally wake up, put in a little bit of work, and start seeing those sales roll in by the end of the day. I've seen it happen time and time again, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do it too. We're talking about building a real sustainable business here, not some get-rich-quick scheme. Print on demand is a legitimate way to generate passive income, and the best part is, you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory up front. So, if you're ready to start selling your own custom-designed products and build a brand you can be proud of, stick around because this video is for you. Alright, let's break down exactly what print on demand is and why it's such a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. In a nutshell, Pod lets you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, even posters and canvases, without ever having to touch any inventory yourself. That's right, no more packing boxes in your garage at 2 a.m. Here's how it works. You create a design, you list it on a platform like Redbubble, Teespring, Printify, or Printful. And when a customer makes a purchase, they handle everything else. The printing, the shipping, the customer service, everything. And the best part? You only pay when you make a sale. So there's absolutely zero upfront cost to get started. You're literally just profiting from your creativity. These platforms even integrate seamlessly with major online marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon, giving you even more reach and potential customers. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, is this even legal? It sounds too good to be true. Trust me, I had the same doubts when I first started. But the reality is, print on demand is a completely legitimate business model. It's just about leveraging technology to streamline the traditional retail process. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, print on demand could be your golden ticket. Now, before you go designing unicorn t-shirts in your sleep, we need to talk about choosing a profitable niche. See, the key to print on demand success isn't just about creating cool designs, it's about creating designs people actually want to buy. And that's where niche research comes in. Think of it like real estate, but instead of houses, we're looking for profitable markets. The good news is, you don't need to be a marketing guru to find hot niches. There are tons of free tools you can use to your advantage. Start by looking at what's trending on Google Trends. See what people are searching for, what's piquing their interest. Then head over to Etsy and check out their trending products section. What are people actually buying? Pinterest and Instagram are also gold mines for niche research. Look at popular hashtags in your areas of interest and see what kind of engagement they're getting. Are people going crazy over cat memes? Is there a resurgence of 80s nostalgia? These are all clues to potential niches you can tap into. For example, some evergreen hot-selling niches include motivational quotes, pet lovers, pop culture and memes, gym and fitness and anime and gaming. But don't be afraid to get specific. The more niche you go, the less competition you'll have and the more passionate your target audience will be. Now let's talk design. And before you say, Graham, I can barely draw a stick figure, hear me out. Also to create winning designs. Remember, we're going for simple, effective, and most importantly, relatable. One of my favorite tools for creating professional-looking designs is Canva. It's a free online design platform that's incredibly user-friendly, even for complete beginners. They have tons of templates you can use to create eye-catching graphics in minutes. And if you want to take your designs to the next level, they also have a pro version with even more features and options. But honestly, the free version is more than enough to get started. Another tool I love is Kittl. This AI-powered design will generate designs for you based on keywords and your preferences. Talk about a time saver. It's like having a personal graphic designer on call 24/7. And if you're really short on time or just want some inspiration, Fabrica. They have a massive library of pre-made designs you can purchase and use commercially. Just make sure you have the right licenses to avoid any legal headaches down the road. But my journey. This AI art generator lets you type in prompts and it creates stunning, original artwork that you can use on your products. Think of it like magic, but for design. Remember, simplicity is key. Minimalist designs with easy-to-read text. Don't overcomplicate things. Alright, now it's time to get your designs out into the world and start making those sales. The first step is choosing your platform. Remember those print-on-demand companies I mentioned earlier? Well, each one has its own pros and cons. Redbubble and Teespring are great options for beginners because they're super easy to use and have a massive built-in audience. Plus, they handle all the printing and shipping for you, so you can literally set it and forget it. If you're looking for more control over your branding and pricing, then selling through Etsy with Printify or Printful might be a better option. Etsy is a massive marketplace for handmade and vintage goods, and Printify and Printful integrate seamlessly with it. And if you're really serious about scaling your print-on-demand business, then Amazon Merch is the king. Amazon is the largest online retailer in the world, so you'll have access to millions of potential customers. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to start uploading your designs. Aim to upload at least 10 to 20 designs in your chosen niche to start. This will give you a good foundation to work with and increase your chances of getting seen. But here's the secret sauce. When you're creating your product listings, make sure you're using SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. This means using keywords that people are actually searching for on Etsy, Amazon, or whatever platform you're using. Chapter 5. Okay, you've got your designs, your shop is live, now it's time to bring in the customers. And the best part? You don't need to spend a ton of money on ads to get started. There are tons of free traffic methods you can use to drive instant sales. One of my favorite strategies is Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is a visual search engine, which means people are actively looking for products to buy. Create eye-catching pins featuring your designs and link them directly to your product pages. And don't forget to use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions. Facebook groups and Reddit communities are also gold mines for free traffic. Find groups related to your niche and start engaging with the community. Share your designs, offer discounts, and just be genuinely helpful. And if you're feeling creative, start making short, engaging videos showcasing your designs on Instagram Reels and TikTok. These platforms are all about virality, so if you can create content that captures people's attention, you could see a massive influx of traffic and sales. Don't underestimate the power of hashtags. Use relevant hashtags in your posts so people can easily find your products. Think #custom shirts, #gymwear, #petlovergifts, you get the idea. Now, if you want to accelerate your growth and start seeing results even faster, then you might want to consider investing in some paid traffic. Facebook and Instagram ads are still incredibly effective, and you can start with a small budget, even $5 to $10 a day, to test different audiences and see what works best. Etsy ads are also a great option, especially if you're just starting out. Etsy actually favors new sellers in their algorithm, so you're more likely to get seen by potential customers. And if you want to tap into an already engaged audience, consider collaborating with micro-influencers in your niche. Offer them a free product in exchange for a post or story featuring your brand. Chapter 6. Now once you start seeing those first sales roll in, it's time to scale your operation and turn this side hustle into a full-blown passive income machine. The key here is to systematize as much of the process as possible. Invest in tools like Pod Turbo to automate your uploads and order fulfillment. This will free up your time so you can focus on creating more winning designs and expanding into new niches. Don't be afraid to diversify your income streams. Once you've found a winning formula on one platform, consider expanding to others. List your designs on multiple marketplaces to maximize your reach and sales potential. And remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't become a millionaire overnight. Just stay consistent, keep learning, and keep creating awesome designs that people love. Chapter 7. There you have it, guys, a complete blueprint for building a successful print-on-demand business from scratch. And the best part? You can start today with absolutely zero investment, no excuses. So what are you waiting for? Take action, be consistent, and watch as your designs come to life. And hey, if you need any help along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to point you in the right direction. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and living life on your own terms. Outro. So there you have it, guys. Print on demand is like any business. You gotta put in the work up front, but once you get the momentum going, it can snowball into something truly incredible. Just remember to stay focused on providing value, creating awesome designs, and marketing your butt off. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money to get started. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the drive to succeed. So what are you waiting for? Start building your print-on-demand empire today.